Did you know most Forex traders fail not because of a bad strategy, but because of their broker? It's a harsh truth that almost no one talks about. You could have the world's best strategy and perfect risk management, but if your broker gives you bad execution, wide spreads, or slow fills, you're set up to lose from the start. If you're serious about trading Forex, your broker choice is even more critical than your strategy. I've linked the brokers I personally use and recommend right below this video. Some even offer exclusive deposit bonuses, but you'll only get them through our links. So, why is this so crucial? Most beginners are obsessed with indicators. They jump from one strategy to the next RSI this week, moving averages the next. But professional traders? We focus on what really matters: execution quality, tight spreads, slippage, and overall reliability. A bad broker can easily turn your winning trades into losers. Just slippage alone over time can completely wipe out any edge you have in the market. This is especially true if you're into scalping, using expert advisors, or doing any kind of short-term trading. Let's also talk about realistic expectations. Forex isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about doubling your account overnight. The real goal is to stay in the game long enough for the probabilities to play out in your favor. And that's exactly why your broker is so important. For those of you outside the US, I highly recommend IC Markets. It's one of the most reliable brokers I've ever worked with. Their execution is lightning fast, the spreads are incredibly tight, and they have a fantastic track record. Another great option is Pew Prime, especially if you're starting with a smaller account and need more flexible trading conditions. Now, if you're in the US, the regulations are different, so you'll need a different broker. For US traders, the best option is Plexy Trade, and you'll find the link for them below as well. Regardless of which one you pick, the principle is simple. Your broker must match your trading style. Don't try to scalp on a slow platform, and don't run an automated system on a broker with wide spreads. If you want to trade Forex the smart way, build your foundation first. Check out the broker links below. Choose the right one for your location, and start focusing on consistency, not shortcuts. That's how real traders survive and thrive in this market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.